Ever wondered how the food you eat impacts your diabetes? Every morsel you consume can either balance or disrupt your blood sugar levels. It's like a complex dance where the right partners make all the difference. Just as a dancer chooses their partner wisely, you too must choose your foods carefully. Why? Because food is not just about satisfying hunger, it's your body's fuel, it's your health's ally. And for someone with diabetes, it's a powerful tool to manage your condition. Stay tuned to discover foods that can help manage your diabetes. Scene script. Food is not just about filling our stomachs, it's about nourishing our bodies. Whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These are the foods that nourish our bodies and help manage diabetes. Let's dive deeper into the benefits of these food groups. Whole grains such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are rich in fiber. Fiber slows down our body's absorption of sugar, helping to keep our blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. So, when you swap out white bread for whole grain bread at breakfast, you're not just adding a delicious crunch to your meal. You're giving your body the tools it needs to manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Fruits and vegetables, on the other hand, are nature's multivitamins. Think of them as nutrient powerhouses that provide us with a host of essential vitamins and minerals. They're also high in fiber and low in calories, making them a fantastic choice for those watching their waistline. So, whether you're crunching on a crisp apple or enjoying a refreshing salad, you're doing your body a favor. Lean proteins, such as chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu, provide us with essential nutrients without adding unhealthy fats. They're like the building blocks for our bodies, helping us to build and repair tissues. Plus, they keep us feeling full for longer, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. And let's not forget about healthy fats. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can help lower levels of harmful cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. They're like the superheroes of the fat world, fighting off the villains that can harm our heart health. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, remember to load up your cart with plenty of whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods aren't just delicious, they're the key to managing your diabetes and leading a healthier, happier life. Remember, the right food choices can make a world of difference in managing your diabetes. Not all foods are created equal, especially when it comes to diabetes. There's a hidden danger lurking in our diets, a danger that's particularly harmful for those managing diabetes. These are the foods that don't do us any favors when it comes to maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Processed foods, for instance, are often high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. They can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, which can be detrimental for people with diabetes. These foods are usually low in fiber, which means they're digested quickly, leading to those unwanted sugar highs. Then we have sugary drinks. They are a significant source of added sugars in our diet, and their consumption can raise blood sugar levels almost instantly. High-fat foods are another culprit. They may not directly spike your blood sugar, but they can contribute to insulin resistance over time, making it harder for your body to regulate its sugar levels. Steer clear of these foods to keep your blood sugar levels in check. So, what have we learned about diabetes and food choices? First and foremost, the importance of informed food choices can't be overstated. When you're dealing with diabetes, your diet is a vital part of managing your condition. It's not just about avoiding sugar. It's about balance, variety, and moderation. We've learned that carbohydrates have a significant impact on blood sugar levels. But remember, not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are your best friends. They provide slow-release energy and help keep blood sugar levels steady. On the other hand, processed carbs can spike your blood sugar and should be consumed sparingly. We've also discovered the benefits of lean proteins and healthy fats. Foods like fish, chicken, nuts, and avocados are not only delicious, but can also help to regulate blood sugar levels. They should be included as part of a balanced diet. Key to our discussion has been understanding the hidden dangers in our food choices. Many foods, especially processed ones, can have hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Always check the labels and be aware of what you're putting into your body. Finally, we've emphasized that managing diabetes is not about deprivation, but about making smart choices. You can still enjoy a wide variety of foods. It's all about knowing what to eat and when to eat it. With the right food choices, you can take control of your diabetes. Start today.